Hey everybody, and welcome back to Farm Girl in Progress. I am Nadine, and today we are going to be working on cleaning up the sidewalk that my brother helped me bust up yesterday. And then we can hopefully lay out the pond, mark where I want the hole at, and start digging that out so that we can sink the pond in there, and then we can figure out like the garden scape around the pond. So let me go and get a wheelbarrow. We'll get you guys set up on some legs and we'll start cleaning up the busted up concrete. Alrighty guys, we got all of the concrete cleaned out of there. It took about an hour, but we got it done. So now we just need to, I'm going to flip this over carefully so I don't crack it any more than it's already cracked. As I said in my last video, we're going to try to repair that crack there. So yeah, I'm just going to flip this over so it's upside down and then position it where I want it over here and mark it with some orange spray paint, and then I'll know where I need to dig in order to sink that liner down in the ground. And then we'll eventually just figure out how I want to lay out the garden. All of these hosta are probably going to come out of there and be moved other places. Like I said, I want to put a larger garden up front around our septic lids, so it's a little bit easier to mow around. So some of these will probably get moved up there. Some of them will probably stay here. And then honestly, I don't know where after that, but we're making good progress, guys. So I'm gonna go grab the spray paint out of the garage, and then we'll flip over the pond and we will place it and see where we want to put it. think this is going to be the best placement for this pond. I decided not to flip it over because it's not the same design on either end. It's different. So what I did was, if you didn't see it, I held the can straight up and down and used the pond liner itself as an outline and just drug the side of the can around the pond to get a line on the ground of where I need to dig. So once the paint is dry, I'll go ahead and move the pond out of the way. The first thing I'm going to have to do is move these hosta, and then I need to create an access way to our crawl space there. So I think, like I said, all of these hostas are going to come out of here, and I'll do like a cute stone walkway or something to the crawl space door. But this is what I have so far. I'm pretty excited. We're going to wait a few minutes, like I said, for the paint to dry, and then I can drag the pond liner out of the way and start digging it out. All right, while we're waiting for the paint to dry, which honestly shouldn't take that long, but I need a break from moving all the concrete before I start digging. So I'm actually going to round up the kids, and we're going to go to Lowe's and see if I can find some materials to repair this pond liner with, and then we will be back. Alrighty guys, we are back from Lowe's. So I got my shovel here. We're gonna move the pond out of the way and start digging the hole for this to sink into. Yeah, let's get started. Alrighty guys, it is 8 o'clock, so I need to clean up and pack it in for the night, go make some dinner, and get a shower because I am gross. Let me show you what I got done for today. So I think we made a pretty good dent as far as removing soil goes. I still have a little bit deeper to go, and then I have this back corner and side that need dug out. I'm using a lot of the soil from here to build up where the sidewalk was, so that it's level with the top of the pond, and then I'm going to be using it over here as well because this yard kind of dips here, and this is all going to be a garden area around the pond. So a lot of the soil is going to be used to kind of level this out as well, so it's a nice garden area for us. So I'd say it's coming along pretty well. So with all that being said, I'm gonna wrap it up here and call it a night. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to stick around because there's going to be more videos after this in regards to this fish pond. I have a feeling it's going to be a couple days, but we will get it done. So thanks so much for watching, guys, and remember to grow where you're planted.